Hey you guys, I know that you love our German bread and I want to show you a version that is only gonna take you 3 minutes, swear to God. It is so fast, it doesn't even have to rise, and it tastes amazing, and it's not gooey and it's not white. So this bread is not only super duper easy to make, it is so delicious. It's full of seeds, full of flavor, it's just so rich. I'll get right to the ingredients so you can go shopping. For the ingredients, you need water, fresh yeast, spelt flour, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia and flax seeds, some salt, and apple cider vinegar. And that's it already. And you know what? It doesn't even matter whether the water is lukewarm, hot, or cold. It's just what? It doesn't even have to rise. But I always use lukewarm water because the yeast just dissolves easier in it, and that's your first step. So you're gonna take the fresh yeast, you place it into the bowl or whatever you have with your water, and you let it dissolve completely, and then you set it aside until you have the remaining ingredients all combined. Now you can just take your hand or the dough hook of your electric mixer or whatever. You just have to make sure that you mix it well and then you have everything incorporated, and that is it. That's your dough. Now take a loaf pan and butter it, and take some of the remaining seeds that you have left and just sprinkle it onto the butter, and make sure you cover the entire loaf pan with the seeds. That gives you a really nice seed crust later on when you take the bread out of the loaf pan. Now don't preheat your oven, because that's, I think, where the magic kind of happens, because it does rise a little bit in the cold oven. So you place the loaf pan into the cold oven, close it, set the timer to 50 minutes. You find the entire recipe down below in the description. Just use that little arrow, open it, and then there is the link to my website, Facebook, and Instagram, where you can always find my recipes in German and in English. And that is it. You just let it bake. You take it out of the pan, you cut it, and then you can either eat it while it's still hot, or you let it cool off completely and eat it that way. Seriously guys, this is my favorite bread because, first of all, I know exactly what's in there. I don't know if you know this, but the industry actually takes hair of pigs and they grind it and then they throw it into your bread, because it gives a better flavor and better smell, and it helps the crust somehow. So not every bread is necessarily automatically vegetarian. That freaks me out. And also totally against palm oil. And so many breads have palm oil in it. Well, screw that, we're just making our own bread, right? So if you do that, take a picture with the hashtag Lily's Cupcakery. I'm sure your result is gonna look just amazing and you're gonna love this bread. I'll see you for the next English video. Take care and bye-bye.